Bossard has been around for almost 200 years, and with all that history, we have focused on one specific topic: how to bring productivity and better solutions for manufacturing industrial companies through our technologies and as well through the engineering support of how to build better products. Our focus is on fastening technology, and we've built systems around that in order to digitize the process of how to buy, procure, design fastening solutions all the way to the shop floor. So we came to South Africa almost 10 years ago in order to support Alstom Gibela when they set up a factory here in South Africa to build all the commuter trains throughout South Africa. And it was really greenfield, so there was nothing there at the time. And we built with them the factory, how to optimize the whole process and product flow in there. And we do the same for other companies globally and as well, of course, for any manufacturing assembly operation here in South Africa. So we have been an innovator in what you call today Industry 4.0 or smart factory, looking of ways how you can digitize the process of the logistics and procurement of parts. So we have developed, as you can see here in my background, what we call smart factory logistics. It's a system which allows us to have a constant understanding of the consumption of the product at the customers. So if you look at C parts, as you call it, so let's call it cheap elements within an assembly structure, it's very costly to manage those products for relatively cheap components in themselves. So what we've done is we've digitized that by building a weight scale system and a software around it and AI to support the complete supply chain behind it to be more productive, to be more efficient, and to make sure we always have the right components at the right time in the right place. So we have globally about 35,000 customers we work with, over 1,000 using our fully integrated system solutions, which leads to what we call proven productivity. So it's not just achieving productivity, where we have many examples where customers could reduce their overall cost to manage those parts by 30, 40, 50% in order to integrate those solutions into the complete structure of our customers as such. In South Africa, we have many customers we work with, where we have the solution as well on the logistics, but as well on the operational side of how to better assemble products in there. Our system helps to optimize the supply chain of the customer's process flow, which as a consequence reduces operational cost and activity. So we can reduce, and we have great examples where we reduce transactions by 30, 40%. That means transport is reduced by 30, 40%, which in consequence means that CO2 emissions are reduced accordingly. We as a company are committed to achieving net zero by 2035. With this helping as well that our footprint being reduced overall, and with that our supply base as well within that. So I think it's a great opportunity for South African business to become more competitive and more productive on the global market using digitalization on the shop floor for them. So we can help them building better products for them. We are truly and uniquely focused on fastening elements. We understand more than many others how to better develop a product and how to better manage those products, making all customers much more competitive. We do not build final products. We do not compete with our customers. We really compete within that very narrow segment where we believe we are one of the best or the best in the world to provide solutions, making all customers better, more productive in the long term.